Sarah also asks, do Muslim women have to wear a hijab, and is it forbidden for them to wear makeup?
Women are admonished to wear hijab, and it varies, the definition of hijab varies from the society to society. In fact, if you see some Arab women nowadays here, they do not wear any hijab to cover their face. Some Ahmadi girls in England would be seen with their faces fully covered except eyes. And in between the two, there are many grades of hijab. The basic, essential role of parda, that is hijab, is to protect women's chastity. And it all depends upon which society they come from. Some Ahmadi women, English women who have accepted Ahmadiyyat here, they just dress themselves decently. They don't show their arms or their legs and do not cover their face fully. In my opinion, they are absolved from any break of their responsibility. They are doing hijab all right. Hijab, in fact, is a matter of one's heart. I've noticed that those women who do that hijab, they somehow announce to the world that they are not for them. And wayward eyes do not fall upon them with any greed. So that is the true hijab. But in the society where hijab is traditionally held, like this burqa in Pakistan, when you break that hijab, girls, the younger generation particularly, feels that they are liberated from hijab and they can do anything they like. So to discourage this tendency of false freedom, we tell the older generations to keep an eye on such girls and prevent them from breaking away their ties. But if they don't, then we don't compel. According to Islam, there is no compulsion in religion. We do it only by advice and admonition. If they don't take our advice and admonition, they're free to do whatever they like, to their own disadvantage, of course.